Alright, it's negative 13. The wind's been blowing quite a bit. Truck's been sitting since, let's see, today's Tuesday. Truck's been sitting since Sunday and hasn't gotten above negative like 5 here in forever. So we're going to give it a cold start, see how it does. It's a 2016 Ram 3500 with a Cummins chassis model. Hopefully it starts, otherwise I'm going to be late to work. It's cold enough that my seat's frozen, stiff. You can see the steam coming off of just me. Actually, the indicator on the truck says negative 20, which I believe more so than the weather.com. This is located in the wind whipping around. All right, let's see if she starts. She didn't want to, but looks like she fired up. I have an exhaust system service required. Here I gotta go in and get this thing taken care of. But anyway, it started negative 20 on the truck. Been parked for 2 days. Thanks.